is no magic formula to go back in time and fight aging. As the years go by, our skin naturally changes. Sagging, expression marks, and spots can and will appear. But did you know that besides being our body's largest organ, skin also reflects our internal well-being? In other words, the appearance of your skin can indicate if you are healthy or not. You may not be able to completely escape from skin aging, but did you know that you can slow down the effects of this process? Some of the most common signs of aging are the appearance of wrinkles around the eyes, fine lines around the lips, and age spots on the hands. Besides that, there are reasons to believe that the deep wrinkles on the forehead can be more than only aesthetic questions. As we have already seen in the channel, these wrinkles may be associated with a risk of cardiovascular disease. Do you want to learn more about it? Click to watch the video. But what treatment should you choose to reduce forehead wrinkles? There is a series of cosmetic treatments available to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, but most of them come with side effects. If you want to spend little money and still get amazing benefits with natural ingredients, what about trying one of these 3 natural alternatives? Aloe vera gel. The fresh gel extracted from aloe vera is recognized as an ingredient with many benefits. Aloe vera gel will improve your skin's viscosity and elasticity, acting as a moisturizer, restoring skin's humidity, and keeping it soft and flexible. Write down the ingredients of this aloe vera mask to reduce your wrinkles. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 15 grams. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 16 grams. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 50 grams. Mix the ingredients and apply it to your face, gently massaging the skin with circular motions. Let the mask act for 5 minutes. Rinse it with cold water and pat your face dry with a towel. Careful not to rub your skin. If you have too many wrinkles, apply this mask 2 times a week. If not, just once a week. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is being studied by many people, and according to studies, it is efficient on acne control, wrinkle prevention, and stretch mark reduction. Besides that, frankincense oil also has astringent, healing, and anti-inflammatory properties. You can make your own anti-blemish and anti-age serum at home. Mix 6 drops of frankincense oil, choose a high-quality one, in 30 milliliters of almond oil, or another carrier oil of your taste, and apply it 2 times a day. Be sure to always test on a small patch of your skin beforehand to avoid and identify any possible allergic reactions. Coffee. A 2013 research study published at Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine has shown the antioxidant activity of coffee. The results of this study showed that topical application of coffee extract reduced the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and improved pigmentation and general appearance of skin. It's very simple to make it. Carefully break an egg, separating the yolk from the whites. Put the egg whites in a bowl and beat. Add 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground coffee and mix until the solution is homogeneous and foamy. Wash your hands thoroughly and apply the mask with circular motions all over the desired area. Leave the mask on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes until it dries. Remove it with water. So, did you like these recipes? Did you know them already? Try them and tell us what you think in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.